At 5:52, Heather Lake is live in Chula Vista this morning.
She's showing us some beauty secrets that'll give you a lift without ever going underneath the knife. Hello, Heather.
Hey, good morning to both of you. Yes, sir, we know vanity is kind of a big thing. We live in Southern California, but all of the treatments that we're going to show you today, come on in, they're all things that you don't have to go under the knife. You could do it basically on your lunch break if you wanted to, and that's why we have our patient here. She actually has her makeup on, so it looks like she could be, on her lunch break. She just wants to get a little boost to her beauty routine. I want to talk to Dr. Nowak this morning about all of these different treatments. So first things first, is this called Ultherapy?
Yeah, so this is Ultherapy. It's an ultrasonic treatment. It's using high energy ultrasound. It's beautiful because we can actually look into the skin and visualize the layer that they would target with a facelift. Instead of going in surgically, we can use ultrasonic heat to lift and tighten those areas.
And that's what we're seeing right here on the screen is the layers of skin that it's working on there. What is the difference between this and a facelift and the results you're going to get?
Well, it's ultrasonic lifting technique. It is not truly a facelift, but we're going to give some of the results of that. But it's non-surgical. It's going to keep people very normal, very natural. More importantly, do it without downtime. Yes, absolutely, she could do this on her lunch hour. I had my treatment done in the middle of the day and went right back to work seeing patients.
So men can do this too. It's not just for the ladies.
Men do this too, absolutely.
So what kind of results are we looking at here? We have a picture of the before and after of our patient here, and we can kind of see the difference of what it's doing. How long does something like this last?
Well, her picture's the initial picture taken about 2 months afterwards. We saw some difference, but at 8 months afterwards, you saw the full improvement. So it gets better for that up to 6 months after a treatment. At that point, it's up to the patient to take care of it. I had mine 6 months ago. My goal is to do a second one now, and about every other year, I'd like to repeat one to try to keep myself looking the way I do.
She's getting work done right now, kind of on her jawline. Is that what we see? This is mainly for, or what parts of the face?
So any areas of the face, it can lift the brow an average of 2 millimeters, so a very normal, natural result. It can tighten the cheeks and lift the cheeks, the jaw and the submental. We can also treat the neck, and here recently they came out with a décolleté or a chest treatment, which has traditionally been a tough area. It takes a lot of abuse here in Southern California, so now we have a nice treatment to be able to help improve those areas.
I'm noticing, Chrissy's got a question. We're going to get to her in just a second because I'm noticing there's no redness. I got to ask her, are you hurting? What does it feel like?
It feels like heat,
okay,
but it's very tolerable, and I love the results. It's so worth it.
And I'm sure you like the fact that you don't have to get cut open into, you don't have a long, recovery or anything like that. Can we afford something like this, though, is the big question.
Yeah. Well, I mean, considered to a facelift, this is very affordable. Doing a small area, we can be as low as $1,000 or $1,500. If we're doing a full face, neck, and décolleté, it's going to go up into the thousands of dollars.
Okay. Very, very interesting.
But compared to a facelift, it's very affordable, and when you add in the downtime, the recovery time, and everything that goes with that facelift, this makes it a very affordable treatment.
All right, Miss Russo, I know she's sitting with her hand up, like a kid in the classroom. What you got?
Are there any other body parts we could use that on?
Well, that's are you talking about like your backside or something?
Exactly.
I don't know if they do anything like that. If you want to lift anywhere else.
They're doing the studies on some other areas. Yes, studies are in progress.
Thank you. There you have it. Hey, I want to tell you why we're here really quick, because we got to bring up some information. There is a hauntingly beautiful open house that is happening tomorrow night. You can get all the information for absolutely free out here in Chula Vista. This place is really cool. We're going to show you all these different rooms, all the different treatments that you can learn about tomorrow night, 5 to 9. Come check it out or go to our website to learn more about Nowak Aesthetics, fox5sandiego.com. Click on the Scene On tab. Charlie, Raul, back to you.
All right, Heather, thank you.